Well, congratulations. You are all registered if you made it to this page. And we are sending you some information straight to the inbox, the email address you provided. We're going to send you the details about the event, like how do you get on, what's the phone number if you're going to call in, what's the email address, all the stuff you need to know. So just check your inbox. If you don't receive it from us anytime soon, give us an email back at results@gingerbratzel.com. But we've already sent it. It's in the system. It's just got to make its way down the pipeline and get into your inbox. So look for that. It's very, very important. Well, during this call, I'm going to be covering a lot of information. We're going to be talking about the patient attraction mastermind and coaching program. And we're going to go through what it's like to be an advancing dental entrepreneur. It's a different breed. And you are probably one of them because of this compel you to take action. You want to get to the next level. You're in that category. We're also going to talk about the no excuse mentality. What keeps people small and what keeps people succeeding. It's not the economy. It's not good breaks. It's nothing about anything else. There's stuff going on in there, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about breaking down the walls, the barriers, the obstacles, the stuff that's keeping you where you are and not on the other side, and making the big leaps and bounds that you want to. And then also we're going to talk about filling the gap from where you are now to where you want to be. There's a bridge that needs to be built, and we're going to talk about building that up. So you're going to get all the information during that live event training with me. Now, go ahead and set your calendar and your alarm in your cell phone. That's what I always recommend because you get busy and things happen. So go ahead and set that so you are on that call and it tells you when to be there, or on the web, whatever you choose, so you can get that information. And I need you to block your calendar now because you want to be there. You don't want to miss a minute of it. You don't want to have to be cut short. Again, it's October 25th. It happens to be a Friday at 1 p.m., and that's 1 p.m. Central. So if you're Mountain, that's noon. If it's Eastern, it's 2. And if Pacific, that's 11. If I did my conversions all right there, but it's 1 p.m. Central. So as I told you on the video, I'm going to be answering your questions live too. So you get the opportunity to send them in. So send them ahead of time. I'm going to organize them all ahead of time because I want to get as many of those answered. And I don't want anyone's question getting left out. So if you have any questions, and our topic is going to be about masterminds, coaching programs, and the patient attraction mastermind and coaching program, and getting all the patients you want, building the sustainable growth you deserve, and having more patients, more growth in the next 12 months. And I'm going to go through all the details about it. So if you're a little bit interested, you need to be on that call. If you have a little bit of a question, go ahead and send that in, and we will get those on there live. But in the meantime, I'm going to give you a little assignment, not too hard, just a little homework. And I want you to start thinking right now, what kind of practice do you want? Like the number of patients, the hours you want to work, the services you want to offer, and what your average patient value would be in that type of practice, your ideal practice. And if you have that in mind, that makes it a lot easier. And then also I want you to do something else. I want you to carve out about 46 minutes, 45 minutes, and I want you to watch the success panel video. And I put that on here too. I've also sent you the link to it. These are people, these are dentists and their team members who have gone through this experience already. They're at different points in their career. They started at different points, and they're doing great things. So how can they do it? What tips can you take from them? What insider secrets can you get out of listening to them? So it's a really great informative video, lots of good information, and it's really short, less than an hour for you to get some real concrete nuggets for you in your practice and to help you with the direction you're heading. So this event is going to be live, as I said, on October 25th at 1 p.m. That's a Friday. So we're going to do something we've never done. We're going to give you 2 ways to be participating in it. One, you can watch it live over the internet, and then that email I sent you to the email address you provided, it has the link to where to be. And it tells you all the instructions about getting there, or you can listen on the phone. Now, I would urge you to be on the web because I must show you some things, and I won't be able to do that, of course, on the phone. So just go over there and when the time comes, and be on it. But those are your 2 options, but we will be live that day. So I will see you there. Again, set your calendar, set your reminder, set your cell phone. October 25th, it's a Friday, 1 p.m. Central, and I'm going to go through and share all this great information. Give yourself 90 minutes. I would also block off maybe just a little bit more, because once we get done, I'm going to give you a little bit more information, a little assignment, and you want to be able to get all that done too. So that's all you need to do. I'll talk to you very, very shortly, and make sure you go through and watch the panel, and make sure you go through and do those assignments and start thinking about that big project. Take care, and can't wait to share this information. Bye.